Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to the second video of our MyVision tutorial videos. In the first one, we initially started learning how to add food items. So what we're going to do is go over how to save the whole meal as one, so we no longer have to add every ingredient every day, every time. As you may recall, we have created this breakfast with rye beans, avocados, tomatoes, and a flat white. However, we don't want to enter this every single day. This is what I typically have. It's a very common breakfast. I may do it most days of the week. So how can I quickly add these items without having to add each item individually? And as you can see at the bottom, we have an add item and a save meal. We're going to save this meal. So if you click save meal, it's going to give you this screen and you're going to give it an item. We're going to call it rye vitas with avo and tomato. Okay, it's obviously one serving. Okay, this actually will become more relevant in a future video when we talk about creating recipes. But we're going to have one serving and then we're going to hit save meal. It then condenses it into this little sort of compact meal. If you want to edit this meal, you can further click into this by touching on the actual meal, and you can either subtract, you can add an item at the bottom. However, we're going to keep it the same, and every time we're going to load this meal. So how do we do that? Let's get rid of the meal from our day, and we're presented with a blank screen again. What we're going to do is we're going to hit add item. Last time we were searching in the previous video for food items specifically. This time we're going to search for a meal. So we're going to type in rye vita, okay? Because that's pretty much what we called it. You remember we gave it a name? And instead of going to foods, we're going to go to my foods and meals, which is the second one below. We're going to hit that. As you can see, because we saved that meal, it's in our database. And what we can do is just add the meal itself straight away. Now, what you can do is either hit the actual name of the meal and make adjustments, or you can hit the plus button and immediately add it to your breakfast. Let's do that. It says one item has been added, and we can go back and have a look, and there it is.